right, welcome to our short study of logic. We will not be doing the entire note packet. Hopefully you paid attention to the pages that you didn't necessarily need to print out whenever you got your note packet. Before you watch this video, I really do hope you'll read those first 3 paragraphs that are there here at the top of the note packet. There's some important information there, again, that we would probably discuss at relative length if we were in person, but I think you'll get the gist when we go there. The one thing that I definitely do want to point out, because it is important as we go through this, okay? When we're talking about logic, we are not getting emotion involved, okay? Not at all. We're going to structure our argument with variables and then decide whether or not we can come up with a conclusion just based on those things. So we remove the emotion completely from the discussion, okay? We talk about everything in terms of variables. So keep that in mind, okay? So first, some real basic definitions. A statement is a declarative sentence that can objectively, okay, no emotion involved, right? Objectively determined to be true or false, but it can't be both. Like, you can't say like, oh, well, sometimes it's this and sometimes that's not the way it works, okay? So let's take a quick peek here. Which of the following are statements? It is snowing, okay? Can you objectively determine that to be true or false? Well, yeah, you can look outside and you either say, yes, it's snowing, or no, it's not snowing. There's not an argument there, okay? So that is a statement. The basketball team scored 58 points in their last game. Can you decide objectively whether that's true or false? Yes, you can. You can look at the score of the last game and you can decide, okay? This salsa is very hot. Can you objectively decide whether that's true or false? Not really, okay? If you're me, I'm going to tell you that salsa's hot. And if you look at my son, he's going to look at it and be like, yeah, bring it on. This is nothing, okay? So we cannot objectively decide if that is true or false. That is a matter of opinion. 18 plus 12 equals 40. Okay, well, clearly 18 plus 12 isn't 40, it's 30. But again, the point isn't whether or not the statement is true. It's, can we tell if it is true or false? And yes, we can. In this case, it's false. And would you like fries with that? Well, if you remember anything at all from like elementary school English, that is not a statement, period. That's a question, okay? And so questions are not statements. So again, opinion is not going to be coming into play. That's the most important thing, okay? No opinion. We have to be able to objectively decide if something is true or false. Now, let's talk real quick about simple and compound statements. And this is exactly what you would think if you have, again, some basic knowledge of like your elementary school, middle school grammar and stuff like that. That's kind of where we're headed here. So a simple statement contains only one idea, while a compound statement consists of 2 or more simple statements. Okay, so a simple statement is exactly that. Things on the first page. It is snowing. All right, a compound statement would have 2 or more ideas. It is snowing and I need to shovel something, and the driveway was shoveled or whatever. All right, so we're just going to look at these few statements, simple or compound. So is there one idea involved or is there more than one idea? All right, Jordan is taking chemistry and philosophy this semester. Okay, hopefully you know or notice that there are 2 ideas there. Jordan's taking chemistry is one idea. The other idea is Jordan is taking philosophy. So this is a compound statement. It will cost at least $30 to fill the car with gas. What do you think? More than one idea there? Or is there just one idea? This one is indeed a simple statement, just one idea, okay? The cost to fill the car with gas. If the fish jumps out of the tank, it will die. What do you think? Simple or compound? One idea there more than one idea. Okay, here there are two ideas. One idea, fish is jumping out of the tank. Other one, fish is going to bite the dust. All right, this is a compound statement. I will go to Vermont or Oregon next summer. Okay, also compound. You could go to Vermont. You could choose to go to Oregon, two different ideas. Okay, the book she's reading is about a girl who was kidnapped. That, although it's a long statement, is a simple statement. There's just one idea there. Okay, it's about the book that this girl is reading. Okay, and those you can't break that up into two different pieces. All right, so that's it for this particular video. We will be on to defining a few other terms in the next one. So I'll see you there.